Hi, hello, Namaskara. Welcome to Curio Zone 101 and this is Rohit. In a recent development, Department of Telecommunication released a mobile application known as Sanchar Saathi App. Now, what is Sanchar Saathi App? Sanchar Saathi App is a citizen-centric initiative by DOT in India, aiming to enhance telecom security and empowering mobile users. It helps in reporting of fraud, empowering citizens. Now, why we need this app? This type of initiative is crucial because, on an average, 7,000 daily cybercrime cases were reported in India in previous year. Just imagine 7,000 cases per day that too reported, and yeah, there will be also some under the radar cases which are unreported. And India lost over 11,300 crores in cyber fraud in 2024. In that, maximum were in the name of investment advice and stock trading scams, which is immense. Hence, Department of Telecommunication has bought up this app known as Sanchar Saathi app, which is available for all the mobile phones. And yeah, one more thing, even our honorable Prime Minister had also talked about the cybercrime, particularly about the digital arrest, in which scammers in the name of many enforcement agencies claiming to be from the elite agencies such as CBI would call you and through a video call make you get trapped through their digital arrest. Now coming to the Sanchar Sati app features, it has features known as Chakshu, which is a report suspected fraud communication feature. Users can easily report fraudulent activities by flagging a suspicious calls and SMS directly through the app. Know your mobile in your name. This feature allows uh, users to identify and manage all the mobile communication issued under their name. This prevents unauthorized usage and helps track any fraudulent connection. Next, it helps in blocking lost or stolen handsets. Users can block, trace, and recover lost or stolen mobiles with ease. Users can also verify their mobile handset genuineness. Users can check the authenticity of the mobile devices using IMEI number, ensuring their purchases genuine products. They can also report incoming international calls with Indian numbers. This feature allows users to report international calls and local calls, aiding in crackdown on illegal telecom setups. And now coming to app registration, if you download the app, the registration process is quite simple. That is, you need to enter your first name, last name, and an SMS will be sent to Department of Telecommunication on 14422. And for this, you have to make sure that you have to have the main top up balance, or else the registration process will not be taken place and it will not be registered. And make sure that you download the appropriate app, since it has been published by Department of Telecommunication. You will see the publisher as the Department of Telecommunication itself in the Play Store. And since this app has will be popularized, there will be many fake versions, so please be careful. For the same, we have provided the link. So yeah, the link is also provided in the description. So if you need, you can navigate through the description also. Let us also see what are the steps to be taken to be safe from our end. Do not share your personal credentials through electronic devices to a stranger, even if he or she is claiming to be a authorized person from bank or any other institutions. In that case, make sure that you visit there physically if necessary. And when you have a sense of getting scammed, do not engage further with the scammers. If you ever got scammed, report it as soon as possible. There will always be a sense of urgency in the scammers. If you feel a sense of urgency in their communication, be cautious. And while downloading the app or visiting website, always use authorized apps, app stores or search engines. Check for the spelling mistakes in the app's main pages or other settings. And if you ever get scammed, you can always visit National Cybercrime Reporting Portal or cybercrime.gov.in, or you can also call to national helpline number, that is 1930, and you can report it. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.